Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. Have you ever wondered how to create a stunning AI avatar video from just a single image? Well, you're in luck, because I've got 3 fantastic free AI tools to show you. We'll be using GenCraft, PicWash, and DID to bring your image to life. So, let's dive right in. Before we move ahead, let us talk about these 3 tools. Our first tool is GenCraft. It's a user-friendly platform that specializes in transforming images into AI-generated avatars. Next up, we have PicWash. It's an incredible online tool that can enhance your images and give them a unique style, making them perfect for AI avatar videos. But not least, we have DID. It's a cutting-edge tool that specializes in deepfake technology, allowing you to create astonishing AI avatar videos. So let us get started. Step 1. Generating avatar photo. To generate avatar image, open GenCraft free AI tool. GenCraft gives us to generate 10 images per day in free. Here you can also see how much prompt will be left in your account. Now to generate image, enter your prompt. Then select image option and click on generate. It takes a couple of seconds to generate. And here it is, our image is ready. Now let us download this image. Here there is one problem. Our image is downloaded with this watermark. But don't worry, I will show you how to remove any unwanted object from any image using free AI tool. For this, open PicWash AI tool. Here we can easily remove unwanted object in free. Then upload your image. It's processing. Now select the brush size and start removing. And then click on erase. It's removed. Then download this image. Now let us move ahead. To create an avatar video, open DID AI tool. Select free trial. Click on create a video. And then upload your avatar image. I already uploaded my image.so. Let us select this. Then here enter your script. You can also upload audio. Select the language. There are many options are available here. Then select voice. Even you can also choose style of speaking. You can also add interval between 2 sentences or words by adding this icon. And then generate video. To download this video, click on 3 dots and download it. It's downloading. Now let us have a look on our video.
Hello everyone! So this is how you can create avatar video in free.
So this is how 3 amazing tools, GenCraft, PicWash, and DID, that can turn a simple image into a stunning AI avatar video. Whether you want to create personalized animations, enhance your image with artistic filters, or dive into the world of deepfake technology, these tools have got you covered. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and bring your images to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.